When it comes to identifying a fake luxury car, the first thing to understand is that counterfeit vehicles can be extremely convincing, often replicating the exterior styling, logos, and even interior finishes of genuine high-end brands, so vigilance and attention to minute details are paramount. One of the first indicators of a counterfeit is the weight and build quality, as genuine luxury cars are engineered with precision materials, robust frames, and high-grade metal and composite panels. So any signs of flimsy doors, panels that rattle, or misaligned gaps between body panels should raise red flags. And moving inside the vehicle, the interior is another critical area to examine, because authentic luxury cars will have impeccably crafted seats, steering wheels, and dashboards, often featuring genuine leather, stitching that is uniform and flawless, soft-touch materials, and seamless integration of controls, whereas fakes often use lower-quality plastics, vinyl, or imitation leather that may look similar but feels different to the touch and emits unusual odors, particularly chemical smells from synthetic materials. Technology and instrumentation are another strong giveaway, as high-end vehicles are packed with advanced infotainment systems, digital displays, adaptive driver assistance features, and high-quality audio. So if a luxury car's screens are slow, low resolution, or have interfaces that seem slightly off compared to official brand demonstrations, it could be a counterfeit or clone system. And additionally, badges, emblems, and logos are often copied in fakes but rarely with the same precision, so examining the car's branding carefully, looking for subtle inconsistencies in font, spacing, logo size, and placement, can reveal a counterfeit, as authentic brands adhere to strict design specifications that counterfeiters often fail to replicate perfectly. Under the hood, engine performance and component layout provide further clues, since real luxury cars use engines that are meticulously engineered and marked with proper serial numbers, manufacturer stamps, and clean, organized wiring, while fake vehicles may have parts that are mismatched, poorly labeled, or assembled in a way that is inconsistent with official specifications. So opening the hood and checking for proper engine codes, production stamps, and even the quality of fasteners can be very telling. Documentation is also critical. Always verify the vehicle identification number, VIN, against official manufacturer records, because counterfeiters can duplicate or alter VIN plates, but cross-referencing the VIN with the car's title, service history, and manufacturer database can confirm authenticity, and any discrepancies, mismatched records, or VIN plates that appear tampered with should immediately raise concern. Wheels, tires, and suspension components can also reveal fakes, as high-end cars often come with bespoke wheels, high-performance tires, and sophisticated suspension systems, so cheap replicas or incorrect wheel designs are an instant giveaway, while the ride quality itself can hint at authenticity, as a genuine luxury vehicle will have smooth, composed handling, minimal body roll, and silent operation, whereas a fake may feel harsh, unbalanced, or noisy during operation. Examining the exterior paint is another key step, because real luxury cars use multiple layers of high-quality paint with consistent finishes, precise color matching, and flawless clear coats, whereas fake cars may have uneven paint, visible overspray, or subtle mismatches in color and sheen, and lighting elements like headlights, taillights, and indicators can also differ slightly, since authentic brands employ cutting-edge LED or laser systems with intricate detailing, while fakes may use standard bulbs or cheaper imitations that look correct at first glance but lack the crispness and sharpness of originals. Paying attention to small interior details such as stitching patterns, seat controls, infotainment buttons, and knobs is equally important, because genuine luxury cars have tactile, well-aligned controls with precise movement and feedback, whereas counterfeit vehicles often have buttons that feel loose, uneven, or fail to operate as smoothly. Undercarriage inspection is another method, since authentic cars have meticulously finished undercarriages with properly routed exhausts, heat shields, and protective panels, while a fake may have sloppy welds, rust-prone metals, or missing protective components, and fuel systems, brake components, and fluid reservoirs should match official schematics, otherwise it signals potential fraud. Sound and exhaust notes are surprisingly helpful too, as many luxury cars are engineered to produce a characteristic engine note, smooth idling, and a certain exhaust tone. So if the car's sound deviates noticeably from manufacturer specifications, it may be a reproduction rather than the real thing. Tires often have manufacturer markings, size codes, and speed ratings unique to luxury models, and mismatched or generic tires on a high-end car are a warning sign. Pricing is another red flag, because a true luxury car, especially a new or rare model, rarely comes at a price too good to be true, so if a car is being sold significantly below market value, extreme caution is warranted. As counterfeiters often lure buyers with appealing deals, consulting an expert is always recommended, especially for high-stakes purchases, because professional appraisers or certified dealerships can verify authenticity through diagnostic tools, manufacturer databases, and hands-on inspection. Finally, trust your instincts. If anything feels off, from the way the car drives, to small inconsistencies in build quality, to documentation anomalies, it's better to walk away than risk buying a counterfeit. Because luxury cars are investments as much as they are symbols of craftsmanship and prestige, and losing thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars to a fake vehicle can be devastating. So a careful, multi-layered approach, combining visual inspection, mechanical evaluation, documentation verification, and expert consultation, is the best strategy to confidently identify a fake luxury car and ensure that your investment is authentic, safe, and worthy of the luxury badge it claims to bear.